Hello. Today we're going to be reviewing how to add an Express Web Connect Plus account. Express Web Connect Plus is a new connection method currently only used by a few financial institutions, but more institutions will soon be using this method. To get started, go to the Tools drop-down and select Add Account. For this example, we are going to be using a Capital One account. A new window will open that will start the authorization process. Review the information regarding having multiple accounts and then click Sign In. Enter your account login credentials and click Sign In. Select the accounts that you want to authorize Quicken to have access to, then scroll down and click Authorize. Review the accounts that have been added to Quicken. If you need to, you can also give them nicknames. When you're done, click Next. Once the accounts have been added, click Finish.